just powering through it at this point. I am hauling because I would like to get this done for this summer. So it's templated. I'm redoing the entire thing. I like this. I'm thrilled with the first go, and I thought I was gonna be able to make it work, and realistically still could, but you know what? I could do it even better now. Roughly 250 to 350 worth of material just right down the tube. We're not gonna dwell. We're gonna get it done. Let's do it.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Hey, it's me. I just wanted to let you know I miss you. I know we haven't spoken in a while. Things have been weird.
Why me?
I still think about you a lot. Do you think about me?
All right, let's get this thing released. Freedom! Second time's the charm? And it worked beautifully? I don't know how, I don't know if you guys can tell or pretty much understand. It weighs nothing, which is just beautiful. Now, I do want to see how the inside turned out because the inside was taken into consideration with the spread toe going down the middle, so we're gonna see how that turned out. Oh, that's sick. And it's going right down the middle, it's perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, baby. Oh, we got some trimming to do, boy.
Things have been weird. But I still think about you a lot. Do you think about me? I just wanted to let you know.
All right, I'm doing a gloss coating because I have extra. All right, so we got some pinholes getting filled, and now we are going to let this baby cure.
Maybe I just need some space while I'm trying to find my place in this world. In this world. Broken home and tired eyes, never chasing for new highs anymore. I don't think I can pave the way with only dreams of yesterday. I realize we're nothing more than just how can you be understood when you cannot understand anymore?
What's going on, man?
Casual, but I'm still staring at the wall. I've let it all slide on my own. Maybe I've finally grown. Don't wanna look the other way when everything around is great. Maybe we'll meet again someday. I know we'll meet again someday. Cannot understand anymore. Feeling it over the line never helps you doing fine anyway. I'll try to keep it casual, but I'm still staring at the wall. I've let it all slide on my own. Maybe I find wanna look the other way when everything around is great. Maybe we'll meet again someday. I know we'll meet again someday. I realize
That is where I'm gonna end the video. That was a lot that has gotten done, and there's still plenty more of that to come. There's still a good amount to go, but we have the whole shape. The whole shape is done. The rest is just gonna be chipping away at all the fine stuff, and the last big part is really just gonna be getting the bracket and mount made so that this thing can flip forward. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.